the Education, Diversity, and Sustainability, which offers field trips and a variety of other activities. I'll talk about seeds in a little bit more detail in a bit. There is a seeds chapter recently established here at UVM. We have teaching resources. Teaching Issues and Experiments in Ecology is an online resource that has essentially all kinds of laboratory exercises that are freely downloadable for anybody that is looking for material to use in courses, typically at the college level, but they're also used in some high schools. Again, a free online resource. The EcoEd Digital Library is a related resource. The distinction being the TIE series is actually peer reviewed. People submit things to TIE and they're reviewed by other educators to make sure they're sound and meet standards. EcoEd Digital Library gives the opportunity to submit things even as small as individual photographs that may be useful for teaching resources. And again, that's a free resource. It's available through the website. You see the various logos appearing here. And then finally, there's Profiles of Ecologists, which is actually being renamed Focus on Ecologists, which are essentially the stories that a number of professional ecologists tell about themselves in response to a set series of questions about how they got where they are. It's a great source of information on what motivates ecologists, how they made their career choices, what their career paths have been, things of that sort. To quote our education director, it offers a glimpse of life through the eyes of individuals trained in ecological science who have brought that experience into all sorts of different careers, many of which are still evolving. I think nearly all of our careers are still evolving, whether we acknowledge it or not. Circling back a little bit then to what I do at the science office. The office was established in response to this major report that was led by Jane Ludchenko back in the early 1990s. And what I find is that although this report is nearly 20 years